Hi guys, it's Karina. I am back with the lifestyle videos. This is the first lifestyle video of 2022 and so many more to come. I know that I keep saying that I'm going to switch my content and I really am. Like this year, I feel so focused. I feel so motivated. And so today I'm bringing you guys along with me to clean my house. It's not crazy dirty, but I just need a little reset button moment. And we're gonna start off with the kitchen and the living room. We're hopefully going to make our way upstairs and clean Lonnie's bathroom, clean the upstairs living room, and clean the bathroom upstairs. I cleaned my room this morning. Lincoln is taking a nap. So this is my time to just kind of clean everything, organize, and just, like I said, reset everything. So I will give you a quick overview of what the kitchen is looking like, what the living room is looking like, and I hope you guys enjoy this type of content. It's a little bit of a speed cleaning type-esque of a video. I love watching these. They're just so satisfying, and I hope you guys enjoy it. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. I post tons of videos, and I hope you like them. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is the entrance. When you come in, this shoe rack, we're not going to talk about that, but we're going to clean that. Cosmo is playing in his usual spot. Ah, Cosmo, say hello to everybody. Don't care, okay. And then right here we just have like random things like a book, Lonnie's lunch book, a random shoe, Lonnie's shoes, toys, blankets, Cleo's always on a blanket, chairs, Lincoln's toys, the pillows are all thrown everywhere. I still need to pull out all my decorations for like the rest of the year, like spring and summer. I just took away all my Christmas decorations, so it looks super bald. And also I do need to go home decor shopping. So let me know in the comment section down below if you guys want me to do a home decor haul, and I can do that for you guys. So this is the kitchen. It is a little bit messy. I just have honestly like random things just thrown around. We had breakfast this morning, Lincoln and I, so there's a bunch of like things that just need to be put away. Like example, the milk, bread, and then just cleaning up a few dishes, cleaning the stove. Again, just putting things away. And then we have more toys over there. If you guys notice, I actually got rid of the little playpen. I have it put away, but I eventually want to get like a little dining room set because all we have are the stools, which is fine for now because it's just 3 of us, so it kind of works. So I don't know about you guys, but I work better or faster when I work in sessions. So I'm going to start off here and just starting by clearing off everything, cleaning everything, and then I will move my way over here. So let's start with this side. I recently found the pink stuff. I've seen this all over TikTok and people swear by it. I don't know how I feel about it. I'm gonna try it again today because I haven't really used it, but I ended up finding this at Didi's. I think this is a brand from the UK, so you can only find it on like Amazon, not in stores, but Didi's has it for $3. And then they also have this cream cleaner. This one I really like. I'm going to show you guys how I use it, but this is the situation. Super gross. And the living room is pretty much clean. Lincoln just woke up, so he was playing with some toys, but looks a lot better. And I still need to take out my stuff to decorate, but that'll be another time. So now let's move on to upstairs. And upstairs is where most of the mess always is. The kids, this is going to be the playroom. So what we're going to do is we're going to get rid of these couches. My husband is getting rid of his TV or his gaming room or gaming area, and we're actually going to, he's gonna have his own room. It's a little bit small, but he's gonna make it work, and I think it'll just be better because he works from home as well. So I straightened my hair last night. I gotta pick this up. I'm eventually going to bring all the toys upstairs. Lincoln just ate. He's watching Onward, and I'm going to vacuum clean this, and then I am going to tackle the guest bathroom, which is this one right here, and hopefully I have time to tackle Lonnie's bathroom, which is down there. That's her room. So this is the last bathroom that I will actually be cleaning with you guys. Lonnie's about to get off school, and then I'm gonna take the kids out for lunch/dinner. So the guest bathroom is a little messy. I tend to use this a lot. Lonnie uses it, my husband uses it, so it tends to get a little bit cluttered, you know, some random stuff here and there. I was actually in the process of cleaning it, and then I remembered that I wanted to film, so I like stopped myself. But I need to clean the toilet bowl, I need to clean the floors, I need to pick up that. I actually showered here the other day, so I did clean the bathtub, so I don't need to do that. I do need to drain it and maybe give it like a quick little rinse, because usually shampoo and conditioner will leave some sort of residue, but that is pretty much it. So let's go ahead and tackle this, and then that'll be it. Wow, I am so like pumped. I have so much energy just running through my body from all the cleaning. I am sweating. I don't know why I have this sweater on, but it's freezing outside. So I am about to go pick up Lonnie. We're gonna head over and just eat lunch. I don't know what we're gonna get, but that is the end of today's Clean With Me. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Definitely let me know if you wanna see more of these, more deep cleaning, organizing, because 2022 is a year of challenge for me and I am challenging myself. So thank you for being here. Subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. It really helps me out. And until next time, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.